Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel today. We've got something truly exciting to talk about, a game-changing app that's here to disrupt the way you shop online. If you're tired of spending a fortune on Amazon or AliExpress but still want top-notch products, then you're in for a treat. Allow me to introduce you to Temu, your new go-to shopping destination that's not only affordable but also offers incredible opportunities to make money. Stick around as we dive into the details and unveil how Temu is changing the online shopping game. What sets Temu apart is that it offers you the same great products you'd find on Amazon or AliExpress, but at a fraction of the price. It's like the best of both worlds. Temu isn't just about shopping. It's also about making money. Temu offers you multiple ways to earn. You can become an affiliate and earn a whopping 20% commission on orders made by people who use your referral link within 30 days. Plus, you'll earn $3 every time your link is used for a purchase during that month. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income while sharing the amazing products with your friends and followers. Now let's talk about something truly exciting: free gifts. Temu goes the extra mile by offering you a chance to snag 3 free gifts of your choice. Yes, you heard that right. Absolutely free. All you need to do is invite 4 or 5 friends to join Temu using your referral link. Once they're on board, you'll be eligible for those fantastic freebies. I was skeptical at first too, but when I gave it a shot, the results were mind-blowing. I got 4 people to sign up, and that very same day, my free gifts were on their way. As promised, I managed to invite 4 friends to join Temu using my referral link. And guess what? My efforts paid off big time. Let's take a look at what's headed my way. Here's an ultra-clear monitor that I will be using to edit my videos on. Then we have this stylish Naruto action figure that I'm sure will be a great addition to my collection. And last but not least, a super cool Cause action figure I always wanted my hands on but could not afford. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates. And if you're interested in experiencing Temu for yourself, make sure to use my link in the description. I truly appreciate all of you and your support. Happy shopping, earning, and unboxing everyone.